gonna do some temporary hair makeup, I'm gonna do some temporary hair makeup. So it's like, it's somewhat subtle, as if I really did get my hair highlighted. But it's like, did you get your hair highlighted? Girl, yes. So I undid my twist. I thought, here's one that I missed. I had my twist in for 3 days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. And so I just had the twist out. I got a little bobby pin in here to give me a little bit of lift. Though I guess I can take my pick to give a little bit more lift, just very gently lifting it up at the roots. And I'm gonna try something different. So I've used, maybe I need to take the pin out. That was a little crazy. Okay, I'll take out the bobby pin. You're coming out. Okay, yeah, I guess I didn't really need it. Just a little bit more lifting. You're just going crazy. So I had someone tell me a while ago that wearing headbands wasn't very professional, and so for the longest I wouldn't wear headbands to work. I think it's all on how you carry yourself to determine whether something is professional or not. Do you agree? Okay, maybe I need to pin these going back. Yeah, here we go. So what I was trying to get at was I've been using this new hair makeup from Curlsmith. New to me, new hair makeup to me. I'm sure they've been around for some time. It is a temporary color styling gel. Rinses out in one wash. It has like all natural ingredients. Apricot, orange peel, pumpkin, carrot, good stuff. So I noticed that when I applied it to wet hair, it's not as bold. So when I was twisting my hair, I applied it to like, some pieces I did like the whole strand, some pieces I did like one part of the twist and I twisted it, and as I'm twisting it, you really couldn't see it. So once my twists were dry, I added some more. It's like, pop. So now that I've untwisted my hair, I'm gonna see, maybe I should add a little bit more, because you really can't see the copper so much like until I get up close. But like, if I'm gonna do some temporary hair makeup, I'm gonna do some temporary hair makeup. So let's make it a little bit bolder. This little it has a mind of its own. Maybe it's telling me I need to pick a little bit more on the side. Like, I'm always so scared to like go crazy with the pick, because like I'm trying to make this style last, you know, for the whole week. So like, I don't want to go too crazy and then it's like after the first day it's like done. But okay, all right, so here's the Curlsmith. Just so you're prepared, I have some alcohol wipes nearby, so I can kind of like rinse my hands really quickly. Let me roll up my sleeves. Here we go. I'm gonna do like that amount. Rub it in my hand. And just like pat it on my hair. Oh, that's pretty. When I did this, oh, I see the back, I see the back. I was gonna say, when I added these to my twist, my husband was like, you didn't get much on the back. I got it this time. I got it this time. So I guess just kind of like rubbing it in is kind of helping with giving me volume, not disrupting my curls too much. And since it's a gel, hopefully it provides a little bit of extra protection. Sorry, mine's got really big. Hopefully it provides a little extra protection to the elements. I think I could do a little bit more in the front. I'm kind of, you can tell I'm a little hesitant, like I don't want to go like, "Urgh." But it does transfer better, it appears, on dry hair. So oh, that's better. That's better. Get little pieces in the front. So it's like, it's somewhat subtle, as if I really did get my hair highlighted. But it's like, did you get your hair highlighted? Girl, yes. And it also says that it is transfer resistant. I don't know if I mentioned that already. So it's for all hair colors. So dark hair, it still is as bright as if I had no lighter pigment hair. You don't need gloves. Granted, I'm covered, but you'll see how quickly it comes off. It rinses out in one wash. That is true because I did this the week prior on a roller set. Hair came out black once I was done, you know, like once I washed my hair. And transfer resistant, so it doesn't really get on your clothes or anything. Like, that's amazing. So I need to pin these back a little because I got some frizzies. Little, not frizzies, but it's like not as defined. So maybe I'll pin it back a little after I get my hands taken care of. Alright, so here's my hands. I got my alcohol wipes. I already had it wiped out, and look at this. It's coming right off. It's coming right off. I may need another though. But I mean, it's coming off. It's coming off. Okay. That wipe was out for a little bit, so it may have dried out, but so now you got most of it off, so now you don't have to worry about getting it all on the sink when you go to wash your hands. So alright, so I think I will just let the hair be. Because I can't get it right. Just let the hair be. Alright, so this is final results. I can't see the back. Let me look at the back with you. Get my, ooh, let me get my cookie mirror. My cookie mirror. Wait. I think it's good. What do you think? Do you like it? Will you go try it? I want to get all the other colors. I do. Okay. I'm doing what I'm doing, which is rambling. I'll see you guys later.